Hello, I'm in a 2002 Toyota Avalon, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll look for this lever. This will release the safety that holds the hood shut. And if there's no tension at all, you'll double check that this cable is attached. If that cable is not there, you might need to address that. But with that said, we'll go up to the front. You should see the hood slightly loose now. We'll look for this little lever here. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna push up. So basically push up and lift. Fortunately, if it's working right, it's got these hydraulics that'll hold it up for you. This is that lever I was pushing up that connected here to release, where it was connected up here. So double check nothing's bent or broken. Double check there's no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. This is where that safety was that was holding the hood shut. And then also double check your hood's in proper alignment, because if that's crooked, that could cause issues as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.